Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, what I want to walk through is the photo section. I want to point out some key tips. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We'll go right back over to our example or demonstration profile. And I want to click on photos. All right. Now, as you can see inside of photos, you are able to have your cover, your logo, right? And then here's what we'll do. We'll go to all. Okay. And then you have your street view by owner, the latest. You can manage them, right? What's interesting here is I want to point out a particular section. Help customers locate your storefront. All right. And as you can see here, this is pointed out directly from Google. So what they're asking for is an exterior photo specifically, right? Like, what's your business look like? What's the sign look like? What's the inside look like? What's the outside look like, right? So what you want to make sure that you do is you want to have exterior photos. You want to make sure you have interior photos. If you can, get a picture of your team, of yourself, of your desk, stuff that you do, whatever your business is. Get as many photos and images as you possibly can that are hyper relevant to the business. Recall, they're generally, remember when there used to be the piece at the top? It would be inside, outside, right? 360 view. There would be video. Recall this? So all of those elements, make sure that you add them. And then when you put the name of the file in, that's what you name the file, right? Oh, interior of my business name. All right. So we want to make sure that we're updating the photos. And of course, if you're seeing this particular request from Google, make sure that we're adding it. All right. So the other piece that I want to point out here, just a helpful tip, is this Google verified photos. So there are verified business photographers that you can go ahead and pay to make sure that the right photos are up and they're verified and vetted. So this is a double layer of trust by Google. Even though it might be small, we know that having clear and evident exteriors, interiors, videos, everything about our business, we always want to be on the up and up. So if you can afford it, and if there is a particular trusted pro in your area, it's well worth the few $100s that it'll cost to get professional photos done. So this is definitely an option. You could check out the hire a trusted pro for Google Maps to take images of your business. If you can afford it, great. If not, maybe down the road. But I wanted to point this out to you. Images, this is a section that needs to be tuned. It needs to be updated. Make sure you're continuously updating this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.